Welcome back, dear children. In today's session, we're going to begin a new chapter, that is calendar. Children, this is a calendar. It tells us about the days, weeks, and months of a particular year. Let us understand some more about calendar now. Children, a calendar is divided into 12 months. It means basically a year has 12 months starting from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right? January is the first month of the year and December is the last month of the year. Okay? So total there are 12 months in a year. Moving on. Now children, as we know, there are 12 months in a year. Each month has different number of days. Either a month has 30 days or 31 days. But there is an exception, the month of February. Children, the month of February has either 28 days or 29 days. If the year is an ordinary year, it means the month of Feb has 28 days. But if the particular year is a leap year, it means the month of February has 29 days. Let's understand this more clearly now. First of all, children, let's learn a technique or a trick to find out the number of days in each month. See, children, it's difficult to learn the days of each month, right? So here I have a knuckle trick for you to memorize the number of days in each month. If you see, this is a fist, right? The fist has a knuckle bump and a knuckle gap, right? The month which falls at the knuckle bump basically means that that month has 31 days. But if a month falls at any of these gaps, it means that month has only 30 days. So if you see, the month of January is falling at this knuckle bump over here. It means January has 31 days. And if you see June, it is falling at the knuckle gap. It means June has 30 days. So this is a very easy trick to easily find out the number of days of each month. Now children, as we have just learned that a year has 12 months and there are different number of days in each month. Some month has 30 days, some have 31 and one month has either 28 or 29. So, how many total days are there in a year? Let's see. Children, if we add all these number of days of all the months together, it comes up to 365. It means an ordinary year has 365 days, children. But you see, there are 365 days in an ordinary year. But in a leap year, there are 366 days. And how is that possible? Children, the year in which the month of February has 29 days, and so that year is called a leap year. So this is the reason that in the leap year, the number of days are 366. And in an ordinary year, the number of days are 365. Clear, children? Moving on, let's learn about the days of the week now. Children, as we all know, there are 7 days in a week, starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day of the week. Right, children? So, let's learn some facts regarding calendar now. We've just learned that there are 365 days in a year, right? And a leap year has 366 days, right? How many months are there in a year? 12. There are 12 months in a year. And there are 52 weeks in a year. Okay, children? A month has either 30 days or 31 days. And 1 week has 7 days. So we have just learned this concept, right? So let us do some classwork now. From your book Maths is Fun, we'll be doing these pages, page 57, 58 and 59. Let's open page 57 first. This is your page 57. If you see, look at this calendar above, right? A calendar has 12 months, right? So let's read these questions and write down the answers. Look at the calendar and write the months that have 31 days. So children, according to the knuckle trick we have just learned, let's find out the months which has 31 days, right? If you see in the above calendar, January has 31 days, right? Then after January, which month has 31 days? March, right? Then after March, it's May. After May, July, August, October and December. So we'll write down the names of these months in these boxes below. And then the left months which have only 30 days are April, June, September and November. So we'll write down the name of these months in these boxes now. Moving on to the next page, children. See children, we have just learnt that there are 7 days in a week, right? The first day of the week is Monday and the last day is Sunday. And Saturday and Sunday both are known as the weekend. It means the week is about to end. So last 2 days of the week are known as weekend. So if you see these pictures below, these are some activities we usually do on particular days. So according to this picture, there is this boy and there are these kids doing some activities on different days. According to these pictures, we have to answer the questions below. Write the days over here. Football on. So if you see, these kids are playing football on, yes, Sunday. So write down Sunday in this blank. In the park on. Look at the picture above. The girl is in the park on Wednesday. So we'll write Wednesday here. Similarly, you just have to write down the number of days in the each blank according to the picture above. Okay, children? After these 2 pages, let's move on to the next page, page 59. Okay? Match. Now, one has been done for us and we'll be matching the other ones now. Over here, if you see, Friday. Friday comes after Thursday. So, these are some questions related to sequencing. Sequencing of days. Okay? So, over here, Monday. Look at the right side. When does Monday come? Yeah, it is the first day of the week. We have just learned. So, match it. Next, Wednesday. It comes after Tuesday. Next is Saturday. Saturday comes between Friday and Sunday. Right, children? Between Friday and Sunday, which day comes? Saturday. Similarly, you have to match other days also. Coming on to the next question. Answer these questions. How many days are there in this month? So children, towards your right side, there is a month. Which month? January. Okay? So looking at that picture, we have to answer the questions towards your left side. How many days are there in this month? So how many days? 31 days. So write down 31 in that box. Next, what day is the 3rd of January? Look at this picture now. 3rd January. It comes at Saturday. So what day? Saturday. Write down Saturday. 3rd January falls on Saturday. Which day is the 7th of January? You see, 7th January falls on Wednesday. Write down Wednesday over there. What day is the 10th of January? 10th of January falls on Saturday again. So similarly, you have to answer all these questions. Okay, children? After this, homework time. Children, page 60 of the same book you'll be doing. Children, towards your right side, you see this is the wheel of seasons. In our country, there are 5 major seasons, children, starting from spring, summer, monsoon, autumn and winter. And there is also a month-wise distribution in the wheel. So looking at the wheel, we have to answer the questions. How many months are there in a year? We've just done that. 12. Write down 12 over here. What is the third month? January, Feb, March. Yes, March is the third month. So you just have to answer all these questions, and after that you have to answer questions related to seasons. How many seasons are there? 5 major seasons. Summer comes after, children, summer comes after spring. Okay? Then in which season in each month? So March comes in the month of, March comes in which season? Spring season. October in autumn. July in rainy, right children? June in the season of summer. January in the season of winter, and February in the season of winter again. So looking at this wheel over here, you have to answer these questions. Okay? Along with this, you have to do some more pages, page 63 and 64 of mental maths. So these are the 2 pages. These are the questions we have just done. The questions include the topic we have just covered. Okay children, this is exercise 58 and 59 of your book Mental Maths. You have to do all this work in your book Mental Maths, and your maths is fun. Okay children, I hope you've understood the concept of calendar. Thank you children, have a nice day.